To have water and fire, you have to have set up your propane outside and opened up those valves. To get hot water, you have to have turned on your Truma hot water furnace system already. If you're off the grid, to get some water pressure, you need to turn on the water pump, which makes a little humming noise until it's pressurized. You can use it while it's humming also. To turn on your sink, you grab this handle and push it sideways. Get some running water. Cold is down, hot is up. I already turned on the propane outside. There's a switch in here where you get a spark to light light your stove. Give it some gas, and you're set. The first time you turn on your propane, it might take 10 or 15 seconds for the gas to get here. So if it doesn't start on that first go round, keep pushing this in to let the gas flow. Thanks.